What is up, YouTube? We're here with another DIY fix-it video on the Tacoma. Gee, we're just gonna be fixing this right here. So let me show you what's going on. When I turn on the car, it's supposed to be a display right here showing the direction that I'm facing and the temperature outside, I believe. I don't know, because this has never worked since I've owned the truck for 5 years now. So I'm gonna try to fix that today. So first thing we gotta do to fix this is open up the sunglass compartment, and there's a screw in there. Take that out. There's just one screw basically holding up the whole thing. And you gotta pull it down from the front. Oh, I heard something loose in there. Then we gotta disconnect this wire so we can work on this, you know, inside. So there is this clip right here. You see that little button? You just push down on that and pull it out, and the same thing with this one. You just push down on this and then you can pull it out. Connects right here and right here, right there and right there. And what we need to get to is this part right here, because this is where the magic happens. This is the little computer where it shows the display. So in order to take that screw right there, there's 3 screws, 1, 2, 3, and a tiny little star bolt in there. So, all right, YouTube, so I brought you down to the dungeon, aka man cave, which has yet to be completed. A T10 size bolt, and so I just happen to have the right size and the right tool to take this off. There is an electrode, or I don't know what you call it. Let's take off these clips here on the side. And oh shoot, I just broke one. I guess apparently these electrodes, they, for some reason, the connection gets old and, you know, doesn't work anymore. They say that it's one of these that gets messed up. There's 3 here and there's 2 here, and apparently this is the one, or one of these 2 is the one that the connection right here no longer works, and so we need to resolder it on there. In order to do this project, I needed to go buy a soldering iron, which you see right there, letting it warm up, and some lead-free rosin core solder. Alright, so I've never used a soldering iron before in my life, but can't hurt to try. So let's see what happens. Hopefully that helps. Alright, so the way I saw the guy do it on YouTube was put a little bit of flux on the end of his thing there, and then he put it on here. That doesn't seem to work. Alright, so just be careful, these clips might fall off. So they just go right here. And that's what's going to lock this in. I just wanted to show you that I think I actually fixed it. So I just put it on the accessory, and there you go. It's 30 degrees Celsius, and I am facing northeast right now, so I'm pretty stoked. I actually did it. That's the resistor. I put some solder on there, and looks like I might have burned the green part a little bit, but it actually worked. It must have been a loose connection on that resistor like I've seen on YouTube videos. So shout out to YouTube, and hopefully this video helps you. Boom. I basically reconnected my wires, and I put my cover back on, and just got to put the last screw in. And yeah, baby. Boom, we're in business. Look at that. Honestly felt like I didn't do anything. I didn't feel like if I was doing anything. I put solder on there and I didn't see anything happening. So I guess that turns the display off, and you can change it to Fahrenheit or Celsius. So one click turns it on, another click changes the Celsius, Fahrenheit, and then the third one turns it off. So we're in California, SoCal, so we like Fahrenheit. So it's 86 degrees today, and I'm facing Mexico, facing south, baby. So anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. I'm pretty stoked that I was able actually to accomplish this. Again, I didn't feel like if I was doing anything. I just was putting solder on there, and didn't look like anything was sticking, but I guess it was, and that helped with the loose connection. And that was it, man. So if I could do it, I think you can do it too. It may not look like you're not doing anything, but just put the solder on there and use your soldering gun. And you know, I went to Harbor Freight, bought a soldering gun, spent $5 on a soldering gun and $4 on solder. They had soldering guns for like 30 something bucks on Amazon or eBay or whatever, and all I basically need is something to heat up the solder. So that was it, and it works now, so I'm super happy.